Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to select a stunning Shopify theme for your store. Why would you want to know how to select a stunning Shopify theme for your store? Well, maybe it is your first time using Shopify and not sure how to select a stunning Shopify theme for your store. So today I am going to show you how to select a stunning Shopify theme for your store. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Selecting a stunning Shopify theme for your store is quite simple and easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write admin.shopify.com in search bar. Click on online store. Now click on themes. Scroll down. These are the most popular free themes. Select any theme and then click on it. You can view demo or simply click on try theme. Theme has been added successfully in store. Now you can customize it according to your requirements. There you go. If you wanted to know how to select a stunning Shopify theme for your store, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.